Hello, my fellow YouTubers. I finally got time to make another machining video, so I thought I'd share a video of me making some big, huge jaws for my 8-inch milling vise in my Hurco milling center. Um, about 2, 3 months ago, maybe a little longer than that, a guy at church said, "Hey, I got a slab of steel that's about an inch and a quarter thick and I think is about 25 inches long and about 5 inches wide." And he asked me if I wanted it. I didn't know what I would use it for at the time, but when you're into welding and machining, you don't turn down an awesome piece of steel. So I took the piece of steel, cut it in half with my Sawzall, cleaned off the one rough cut end, and then the rest I used my machining center to make jaws for the vise. I hope you enjoy the video. Here I am just getting ready to begin the process of squaring up the vise jaws. I'm just using a dead blow hammer to make sure that everything is seated properly in the vise. Now I'm just checking one of the inserts in my face mill here to make sure that it's all tight and good, not chipped or any issues with it. This face mill is a 3-inch Lovejoy face mill that uses SPE 633 insert. The vast majority of this video is sped up 20 times normal speed just to move things along and keep it from getting too boring. One warning, machining is inherently dangerous, and as my son mentioned to me, I tend to be a little bit more risky than I should be, sticking my hand inside of the machine with it running. So keep in mind, if you followed my example, you could hurt yourself or possibly even kill yourself. So keep that in mind whenever you're working around heavy equipment. Admit, I would have used an angle grinder to take the scale off of this piece before I machined it, because it made a huge mess with rust and dust everywhere doing it this way. So here are the finished vice jaws all done and being used for a future project, which hopefully I'll get time to edit the video and upload that here soon. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. I hope you have a great day.